But that is only in the securities SEC under the Securities Act world. The IRS, we talked about back in 2014, defined digital assets and cryptocurrencies in general, very broadly, as property, inclusive of those that are securities, inclusive of those that we used to call them utility tokens. I don't know if that's still, what people call them, right? To try to argue that's not a security token, it's a utility token. IRS said we don't care what kind of token, it's just property. And so where this might be an issue is we talked about the wash sale. The reason why the wash sale rule is a loophole is that it doesn't say that the regulations don't say that if you buy and sell property within 30 days, you don't get the loss. It doesn't say that. It says